Oh, I'm so excited for this one.
Oh my God, I need to hydrate.
You make some good juice.
My juice. Liz, you know what I'm talking about. My juice. Oh, I say it that way. Juice.
Juice.
Juicy.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
You know what? I, a few episodes ago, realized I never say my name. And I don't think you ever do either. This is Grant.
Hey. And this is Dana.
Hi. Welcome
So
to
if you're,
Carte Cooking
if
Happy
you're
Hour.
new to the happy hour, today we have an awesome cocktail for you.
Yes.
I know, and yes, it is.
I mean,
it's after Christmas.
It's after Christmas, but
it's
I still
Christmas,
like the Christmas
till New Year's.
Yes. Yes. Christmas attire,
Period.
Christmas nails, Christmas decor.
Yeah.
Hi.
Dana's nice.
Yes. Or
Oh my gosh, what happened?
I like this shirt so much. Woo. Or maybe not. Okay.
My shirt doesn't do that. Well, what do we have today on this cocktail hour?
Spicy cranberry
Moscow mules, and I
Yes.
love me some Moscow mules. My favorite,
Yes.
Bundaberg.
But I'm really excited because instead of using fresh jalapeno, these hot and sweet jalapenos
Jalapenos.
from Trader Joe's are fire. I don't mean like burn your mouth, I mean they are spicy.
Yeah, they're super yummy.
But they're so
Yeah, they're really yummy.
tasty. So we are using these today, so I got the fork out.
Jesus.
All right. Got the fork out.
Gosh. Is there no safe space around here? My goodness.
There is. It's all
All right.
safe space.
Hey, let's get this thing going,
Yes,
huh?
yes.
Grab
You
the shaker
start it
cup.
up, and I got your favorite one out today.
Oh, perfect. There we go.
Yes.
I love this little
I know
shot
you do.
glass. You know,
I know you do.
Yeah. Alrighty, so vodka.
The big one.
That big one.
The big vodka.
Distilled 6 times.
Yes. I'm gonna give you some space.
Yeah, because 5 times was for the poor people.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding, I didn't.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm
Costco
excited for
members
this
get
one.
6.
Yeah, right?
Sam's Club's members get 5.
Oh boy. I don't even know that I've seen a Sam's Club in years.
Oh, it's been a while.
They're not in
when
this area.
Last time I was down in California, I saw a Sam's Club.
Did you?
Yep.
All right, I'll do the
All right,
lime
you're gonna
juice.
do lime juice?
Yeah. We're gonna do all of this, but I'm gonna cut it so that I can fit it in the squeezer.
Oh, hold on.
What?
Real quick. So I would cut the end off here.
Okay, Grant's got
And then
tips
that
for
way-
us. So we're gonna cut
So
this end off here.
what I have found, and I kind of pride myself on my citrus fruit knowledge.
Okay.
No. There's these like little membranes inside oranges, lemons, limes, things
Should
like
I cut
that.
that out too?
That kind of hold the juice. And
Since I'm going at it.
I think by the time the lime is just gonna be toast.
No.
I find that, well, one, if you're gonna squeeze it, roll it.
Right,
Kinda
I did that.
Kind of break things up inside a little bit.
I did that.
But also, if you're able to cut the walls of some of those little membranes,
Look at that.
it's gonna be a lot easier to juice it.
One
So if you
more?
kind of so when you squeeze it, if you let those, if you let your walls down,
This is a juicy
you can express
one.
yourself.
It's a juicy one. I like it. Okay. All right,
There you
lime's
go.
done.
Beautiful.
'Kay.
Okay. Next thing.
On to you. Half
Grapefruit.
ounce of grapefruit juice.
Now, grapefruit and cranberry?
Grapefruit and cranberry.
Are you trying to kill me?
No, I am not.
These are like my two, the two juices, which, ooh, I am not very
Well, we're gonna see.
into. Okay,
You
okay.
got your ginger beer coming.
I'm very open-minded. I have let my walls down. Whoa, I almost knocked that over. That was close. Okay, so what do we got here? Half ounce?
Half ounce. Yes, half ounce.
This one I don't want to screw up on.
No,
It's not like when I screw up with vodka and whiskey, I just drink the rest. I am skeptical.
Okay.
All right, and then we have another half ounce.
Well, this is a third
Third.
of a cup.
Whoa, a third of a
Just do 2
cup?
ounces. Just do 2 ounces.
My gosh.
Do 2 ounces.
Okay.
Okay. We're modifying on the fly.
No, we have to stick to the recipe.
No, it's okay. It'll be fine. Do 2 ounces. Good job.
How many ounces are in a cup?
8.
8 ounces. Oh.
I know.
No, that's
I know.
That's not.
I know.
It's got to be like a little. Yeah, we have
I'm
to.
gonna do. No.
Yeah.
You.
What?
Oh, okay.
You gotta. You
Okay.
gotta.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
That
Ooh, do you
is-
smell that jalapeno?
I don't yet.
I just opened it and I can smell it. Oh, you gotta get your nose in there.
Yeah.
Play dangerous. Want to sip a little?
I can't smell
Wanna
or
sip?
taste anything lately. It's weird. Does anybody know
Stop
what's
it.
happening?
That is not true. Stop it right now. Somebody, I'm sure, is watching that does not think that's funny.
No, too
All right.
soon?
2 jalapenos. Ooh, these are. I can smell the
I
spice.
know. You can really get them.
Woo!
Yeah. Let's go.
Want to lick it? Ooh.
Ooh. It's like sweet. It's like
The juice is sweet.
the juice is sweet.
Oh, now I'm gonna get a
That-
spoon.
If I
Little
had tasted
demi-tasse
that
spoon.
and somebody
too
didn't
much?
say anything about it being jalapeno, I totally would think it's sweet pickles. With like
Oh.
chunks of jalapeno in it, like sweet
That's
relish.
almost like jalapeno jelly. I mean, it's juice, obviously, but like it has that little bit of burn and sweetness like a jelly does. Ooh, I like it.
I like it. You're gonna have to put that in the description because
kinda-
that's bomb.com.
Yeah, it's delicious.
All right,
I
what
like
are we
it.
doing
Okay,
here? Are we shaking
ice.
it?
Shaking
Little
it.
shakerino? Okay. I actually washed my hands today.
Last week he didn't wash his hands for
It was
like a week.
earlier this morning.
That you washed your hands finally.
I'm just kidding.
2 whole weeks.
People are gonna believe like I
No, it's
literally
not
just don't
true.
wash my hands.
It's not true.
All right, I'm gonna give it a nice shake,
All right,
nice
yeah.
respectful shake. Do you need a chopstick to stir this?
Maybe. All right, that's good. All right, you can put our ice in there?
Got it?
Yep.
All right. And we're gonna do it in this lovely glass.
Yes, please.
Question, is that gonna be big enough?
I hope so. I'm
It's
not sure. You
It's
don't
totally
think so?
Not.
Okay, we'll get the big
100%
ones.
not. Based off of my quick math skills
All right.
and research
Switching. Let me
that
put that
I
over
have
there.
done.
Okay.
Yeah, last time we tried to fit a 2-ounce
Third time was the charm.
cocktail into this.
Third time was the charm.
It went, yeah, 3. It was a third glass. That was a charm, and it was this one, the big boy.
All right. We'll just err on the safe side. Oh, look how pretty this is.
All right, that is very
No, good
pretty.
call. Good call on the glass.
And Bundaberg.
Bundaberg. We've tried other ginger beers. This
Well-
is by far the winner.
Yeah,
think
I mean,
that's good.
this is the one that I like the most because it doesn't have as much. It's not as spicy. It still has a ginger bite, but it's sweet. And if you know me, I love the sweet drinks.
This smells lovely.
That looks really, really good. Is there a garnish? Do we put a garnish on there? I feel like it needs a lime. You gotta put like
Does
a.
it?
Yeah, it's
want more spice
it's a
now
mule.
that we taste.
It's a
I
mule
know,
though,
but I
right?
want more. Taste it. It needs some more oomph. It needs something more. It's not. It needs something
It's
more.
not as spicy.
Yeah. Here.
Maybe it needs a little juice.
I think it does. It needs some more oomph. Oh. Well, I guess that'll be okay.
And it needs.
Oh. Oh, wow. You play it that's a lot of jalapenos going in there.
Boom!
Oh my goodness.
Let's go!
Wow. All right, we'll stir.
Here we go.
It needed a little, Oh, hello.
Hi. Hey. How you doing?
I think that was the ticket.
Was that the one?
I think that was the ticket. We do some really good drinks. I don't know. Ooh, that jalapeno juice gets you. Not a lot, just like it reminds you it's in there after a second.
There it is.
Right? It
Ooh, there it is, yeah.
It takes a second. I don't know if this is one of my favorites.
It's
Last
good.
week's was so good.
Last week's
hard
was super
to put
duper
this
yummy.
one up after last
Ugh.
week. Would you serve this at a party?
It's missing.
It needs something.
It's missing stuff.
Yeah.
It needs like a lime garnish.
Well, we could put cranberry garnish.
This is cranberry. Oh, okay. Well, that makes
There's
sense.
cranberry in there.
Cranberry.
Wait, I have
lime,
cranberries around here.
Jalapeno. It needs all those things on a skewer.
Oh, well,
you know what?
There's that.
That's what it needs.
Okay. You want a skewer?
I feel like maybe this would make a really good martini
Oh.
without the ice.
Let's take the ice out, just for funsies. Why not? It's a little much to put in a martini glass, but I don't think it needs the ice.
I just throw it back in the shaker cup and then put the little screen on it again. Like dump what's in.
Okay.
All right.
I'll do that. Let's do
So
that.
let's get
I
bougie
like
for
that.
a second.
You know I love to get bougie. In our bougie. Okay, let me go dump this out.
Let's get bougie.
Okay.
For
Show them the martini glass.
Oh yeah, Cristal.
Those are caches
These
from
are
Ireland.
From Ireland.
We
Cashes.
sent out
Cristal.
an email last week with these in it because they're one of my faves. Okay.
All right.
Are you
In
gonna do
goes.
it?
That in there.
But the only thing that's not gonna go in there are the jalapenos. Nope. Because they're at the bottom. What do you want to do with that?
And then there's like some jalapeno seeds or something floating around in there.
Okay.
So that will kind of straighten them out.
Do you think this is all gonna fit? Oh. It's a lot of mess.
What the heck just happened? Dana's just spilling and she's like, oh, I'm just spilling. I'm just gonna keep going. Just gonna keep spilling it.
All right, is it gonna taste any
You
different
know
now that
what
it's
my
in?
mother would say right now? Actually, that's what my grandmother would say.
I feel like that's
All right.
Grandma Mimi.
So now we need to garnish this thing.
It's just seeing how much is left in there.
Oh my gosh. Set that thing down before you start shaking.
I'm gonna do it right here.
Because I know what you do. Dana starts just convulsing. Convulsing and shaking. All right, here we are. Experiment time.
All right, here you go.
All right. Here we go.
Do you have the glass skewers?
Huh? No, I didn't grab them.
Here, we'll do green because it's still Christmas season.
There we go. How about this, baby?
Oh, that's
Look at
beautiful.
that
Okay,
little
all right, all
baby.
right.
Look at that little baby.
Yes, it looks like a cosmopolitan. It's definitely not.
And then where is
Right here.
the jalapeno?
Oh. The jalapeno.
See if we can snag one up the bottom.
They're kind of hot to eat on their own. You know who would eat that just straight up?
Daniel.
Daniel would.
Daniel.
Daniel, are you watching? This jalapeno is all for you.
All right, there we go.
Oh, look at you. Okay, this is kind of great. Okay, yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Grant, you're so artistic. Good job. It definitely needed to get rid of the ice. Oh, I love that Oh,
Oh, a little
the
bit on the
cranberries
top.
float. The
huh?
cranberries float.
Ho, ho.
I forgot about that. When
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
It's got the big man on his shirt.
I know.
Was the big man good to you this year?
It's good to me every year
Yeah.
because I'm a good boy.
Yeah, you are.
All right. Yes. Everything.
Now you're happy? This is good?
3 times better.
3 times.
3 times better.
Okay, that really is way better.
Some people have their happy dance. I just spin in circles. Yeah, Dana's happy dance. I just.
Anyway, this obviously was a huge experiment, but this worked. This worked.
Yeah, really good.
It's
Okay, so
really
now
good.
it's not a spicy cranberry Moscow Mule.
No, not anymore.
It's a spicy cranberry ginger martini.
Ooh, good job on that. I was wondering where you were going to go with that. I was like, ooh, how's that going to work out?
Spicy cranberry ginger martini.
I'm going to have to change that.
Now that, I could have that.
Yeah, I'd order
100%.
this. I would
Yep.
order this. The other one that we did mixed up, wouldn't order.
Well, hey, I would love to hear how everybody's Christmas went. Did you get what you asked for? Maybe, maybe not. Did you get coal?
Oh.
Were you so naughty?
Or were you? Or were you nice?
That's a nice sweater, isn't it? That's a nice one. I would love to hear if you got what you were
Yes.
wanting for Christmas and everything. I love hearing those stories.
Hit the like.
Make
the
sure you hit the
subscribe.
like, hit the subscribe, everything like that. If you have a cocktail that you love to make for New Year's,
Yes.
I would love to hear it.
Yes.
So please let us know what it is. Okay, so what are you gonna say?
Next week, it will be New Year's.
I know. Scary. May 2022 be good to you.
Ooh, that was good. I like that.
On
That
the
was
spot.
good. On the spot. So you're quick like that. Thank you guys so much. We will see you next week.
All right, bye.